iPad, the new $200 baseline. Apple just did something crazy. They dropped the price of the 9th Gen iPad to just $199. This is a game changer. Never before has such a capable tablet been so affordable. This move by Apple is set to redefine the entry-level tablet market. We're talking about a full-fledged iPad experience for the price of a budget smartphone. Imagine the possibilities this opens up for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Let's dive in and see why this is such a big deal. The 9th Gen iPad comes packed with features that make it a versatile tool for work, play, and everything in between. This isn't some outdated, sluggish device either. It boasts a powerful A13 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth performance for all your tasks. The 9th Gen iPad is still incredibly relevant in 2024. With support for the latest iPad OS, it keeps up with modern apps and functionalities. It's the perfect example of Apple's commitment to providing value across its product lineup. This price drop is a strategic move to make their technology more accessible. This price drop makes the iPad accessible to a whole new audience. From students needing a reliable device for school to seniors looking for an easy-to-use tablet, the 9th Gen iPad is now within reach for many more people. Don't let the 9th Gen fool you. This device is more than meets the eye. This iPad packs some serious power, making it a versatile tool for both work and play. It's powered by the A13 Bionic chip, the same chip that was in the iPhone 11 series, ensuring top-notch performance. This means you can expect super smooth performance. Apps launch quickly, and multitasking is a breeze. Games run without a hitch, providing an immersive gaming experience. Even demanding tasks like video editing are handled with ease, making it a great choice for creatives. The 10.2-inch Retina display is another highlight, offering stunning visuals. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for everything from watching movies to browsing the web, ensuring a delightful viewing experience. Whether you're reading an ebook or sketching a masterpiece, the display delivers a fantastic experience, making every detail pop. Trust me, this isn't your average budget tablet screen. It's a premium experience at an affordable price. Okay, let's talk price. At $199, the 9th Gen iPad is an absolute steal. There's simply no other tablet on the market that offers this level of performance and features at this price point. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking for an affordable and powerful tablet. This price drop makes the iPad an even more compelling alternative to Chromebooks or budget laptops. You get the versatility of a tablet with the power and performance of a much more expensive device. It's a win-win situation. Section 4. iPad for everyone. Students, professionals, and families. The iPad is designed to be versatile and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of users. Who is this iPad for? Honestly, just about anyone. Its adaptability makes it perfect for various needs and lifestyles. Students will love it for taking notes, writing papers, and researching projects. It's a powerful tool for education, helping students stay organized and efficient. Professionals can use it for presentations, on-the-go work, and staying organized. Whether you're in a meeting or traveling, the iPad keeps you productive. Families can share it for entertainment, learning, and staying connected. The possibilities are endless. From watching movies to educational activities, it's a device for all ages. The 9th Gen iPad is also compatible with the Apple Pencil, 1st generation, and Smart Keyboard. These accessories enhance its functionality, making it even more versatile. This means you can turn your iPad into a digital notebook, a portable workstation, or anything in between. It's a canvas for creativity and a hub for productivity, tailored to fit your needs. Section 5. The verdict. Your next tech essential. Here's the bottom line. The 9th Gen iPad is an incredible value at $199. It's a powerful, versatile, and affordable tablet that's perfect for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a great tablet, the 9th Gen iPad should be at the top of your list. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Head over to Apple's website or your nearest Apple store and grab yours today. You won't regret it. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.